Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the WORX electric chainsaw and I'm going to tell you how you can easily mount the energy magazine straight into this chainsaw. So it should look like that, as you can see, and yeah, here we have this place for the pins, actually here. And the first thing we're gonna do is finding near the grab, as you can see here, this place. We have to do this like that, with this PowerShare here towards us, and push it without touching anything straight into these pins. And now it is mounted. To unmount this, we have to push the button, which is here, and push it towards opposite side. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.